Your smart TV was supposed to make life easier, but instead it's slow. Apps take forever to open. The menu freezes. Netflix buffers. You press the remote, and nothing happens. Sound familiar? Before you throw the remote at the screen or start shopping for a new TV, stop. Because in most cases, smart TV lag is not a hardware failure. It's a setup and software problem. Today, I'll show you simple, safe steps you can do at home to make your smart TV fast again. No technician, no factory reset panic, and no unnecessary upgrades. Let's fix it properly. Step 1. Exit demo mode. First mistake many people never realize. Some TVs are still running in retail or demo mode, especially if they were recently installed or reset. Demo mode keeps high brightness, heavy animations, constant background processes. This kills performance. Go to Setting System Usage Mode. Make sure it's set to Home Mode, not Store or Demo. This single change can instantly reduce lag. Step 2. Restart properly. Turning the TV off with the remote is not a real restart. Modern smart TVs go into standby, just like phones. Do this instead. Turn the TV off. Unplug it from power. Wait 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This clears temporary memory errors and frozen background tasks. Many lag issues disappear right here. Step 3. Clear app cache. Apps slowly collect junk data. Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, all store cache files. Too much cache equals slow loading. Go to Settings, App, select App Clear Cache. Do not clear data unless you're okay signing in again. Clear cache for streaming apps, browser, app store. This alone makes menus feel smoother. Step 4. Remove unused apps. Smart TVs have very limited storage. If your storage is nearly full, apps lag, updates fail, system slows down. Delete apps you don't use. Trial apps, pre-installed junk. Keep only what you actually watch. Less clutter equals faster TV. Step 5. Turn off background features. Many TVs run features you never asked for. Voice assistants always listening. Auto content recognition. Personalized ads. Recommendations tracking. Go to Settings, Privacy/System Services. Turn off Voice Wake Up, Content Recognition, Ad Personalization. These features constantly use CPU and internet bandwidth. Turning them off improves speed and privacy. Step 6. Check internet the right way. Lag is often blamed on the TV, but the real problem is Wi-Fi. Do this. Restart your router once a week. Move the TV closer to the router. Avoid crowded Wi-Fi channels. If possible, right arrow use an Ethernet cable. A wire connection is faster, more stable, zero buffering surprises. Streaming quality improves instantly. Step 7. Update system software. Outdated firmware causes app crashes, laggy menus, compatibility issues. Go to Settings, Software Update. Install updates, then restart the TV. Manufacturers often fix performance bugs silently. Step 8. Reduce animations and motion effects. Fancy effects look good in stores, not at home. Turn off motion smoothing, live wallpapers, menu animations. This reduces processing load and makes navigation faster. Bonus, movies look more natural too. When nothing helps, if your TV is more than 5 to 6 years old, has weak internal hardware, runs very slow even after fixes, there's a smart solution. Right arrow use an external streaming device. Apple TV, Roku, Google Chromecast. They are faster than most built-in TV systems and can give your TV a second life. When nothing helps, if your TV is more than 5 to 6 years old, has weak internal hardware, runs very slow even after fixes, there's a smart solution. Right arrow use an external streaming device. Apple TV, Roku, Google Chromecast. They are faster than most built-in TV systems and can give your TV a second life. Final thoughts. A slow smart TV doesn't mean a bad TV. Most lag problems are software overload, bad settings, network issues. Fix those, and your TV feels new again. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe for honest, real-world tech fixes. And comment with your TV model. I'll tell you if it's worth fixing or upgrading.